Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So, how to distinguish bonus wheel spacers? Let's go. In order to distinguish the real bonus wheel spacers and protect customers' interests, BONOSS has built a completely authentication system. When you get bonus wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Each BONOSS Genius product is engraved with BONOSS, which are manufactured with BONOSS' own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.